So if you didn't watch my video on Monday, you need to go check it out because it's part 1 of this video, but this video is going to be part 2 of the video I did on Monday. So here's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about phase 1 of our video marketing strategy plan. So if you watched on Monday, or you're just watching it later and you watched part 1 already, you'll know that we've talked about creating a plan and how to position your brand. I think that positioning is super important, so definitely go check out that video. It's going to be a very interesting video if you haven't already checked it out. In this video, we're going to be talking about phase 1, which is the first phase of my video strategy for almost all of my clients. In phase 1, as you can see, we're going to be starting out with very basics. We're going to be starting out with getting in the habit of making weekly videos and daily short form content. At the very minimum, we need to be making these. This is the very minimum of what you need to be doing. This is not a set in stone. Personally, I could consider myself on phase 1 right now because I do 3 times weekly videos and twice daily short form. I just have a larger scale version of phase 1. We want to be sticking in phase 1 for 1 to 3 months after starting your channel. These weekly videos should be anywhere in the 3 to 12-minute range. They should be highly edited and long-form YouTube videos. Daily short form. At the very minimum, we need to be going daily. It's the main thing that the algorithm looks at: consistency and watch time. So if we can get in the habit of creating great short form content on a consistent basis and great YouTube videos on a consistent basis, we will be golden. You have to understand something. Google is the biggest search engine and YouTube is the second. They prioritize the people who constantly bring traffic to their website. The more videos you put out, the more traffic is going to come to your page. The more traffic that comes to your page, the more your videos get pushed out. It's a constant cycle. So YouTube wants to keep people on their platform. So what are they going to do? They're going to push engaging videos. So you really have to be doing a fantastic job of making really engaging, high quality videos. If you're still confused on how to do that, check out my other videos where I go a lot more in depth on how to make your videos more engaging. Another giant benefit of this plan is it's very cost effective. Daily short form and weekly videos is not that expensive. Once you get into the 3 times weekly and the 2 times a day, that's where it gets a little bit more pricey, but it's definitely a lot more cost effective to go this route to start. This will help you to kind of build up your consistency and be able to build that brand authority that you really need. The other problem is your first videos are going to suck. No matter how good you are, your first videos are going to suck. I promise you. So here's what you need to do. Get in the habit of posting consistently and learn how to get better at making videos. Just like discipline. The only way to gain discipline in the gym is by going to the gym. The only way that you are ever going to get better at creating videos is by actually creating videos. You can watch every YouTube video in the world, like this one, on how to create it. And yes, it's helpful. There's a lot of helpful tips in my videos and others. However, you have to put the plan in action. Remember the words of Liver King: prioritize, execute, and dominate. The other big benefit to these is they're very versatile. They can go out on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, any platform you can think of. These things can go on and there will be a lot higher engagement rating than if you just posted a photo. I can almost guarantee it. If your competition is doing this exact same thing, you know that you need to be on it because you are falling behind. And if they're not doing this same exact thing, you need to be getting ahead while you still can. Video marketing is the #1 way to grow your channel in 2023. So if you want to learn more, hit that follow button. Make sure you come back Friday where I go a little bit more in depth on how you can transition from phase 1 to phase 2 and how you will continue to grow your channel after 1 to 3 months.